Before starting, you need to create a new account in indify.co. You can use your Google Gmail account. So when your account will be ready, connect you to start creating a widget. First of all, go back to Notion to create a new embed block by clicking on the button plus to add a block just below your selection. Choose to add the block embed. After that, click on Add a Widget and choose the weather in the Volume 1 section. Name your new widget. Choose your own location in the settings and try all features to custom your widget as you wish. Now copy the link just below and go back to Notion to paste it into the block that you created before. Your new weather widget appears. You can change the size as you wish to fit the design of your template.